Hello there. Welcome to Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking. I was going to try to go live. It was my first time. My friend Wilma wanted me to do it. And they said that I had to wait 24 hours. So here I am on one of my regular videos, and let's get started. Okay. We're going to start out shucking some corn. And I want to show you like 3 different things you can do with corn. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm so disappointed. I really wanted to do a live today. I thought it would be really fun, but that's okay. Okay, let me get these shucked and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm ready to start on my corn here. I've got it all shucked. I've got this beautiful Michigan tricolor corn. Delicious. And I'm at my girlfriend's cabin up North Michigan. And I'm very excited. My girlfriend Dawn. So a big shout out, thanks to my girlfriend Dawn. So while that's getting hot, I'm going to put some salt in it. In the water. Sure, you guys all know how to do corn boiled, but okay. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to cut the corn off the cob for my next one. And this is going to be I'm all flustered because I thought that I was going to be doing my live today, but anyway, it's okay. So I'm cutting that off the cob. I'm going to do 2 of them, and I'm going to be making fried corn. This is for you people too that can't eat corn off the cob, but still nice fresh corn. Michigan corn, the best. So anyway, all right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to get the right knife. I'm going to put some butter in the pan. Without the label. And then I'm going to move some of that over. And I'm going to cut up a little bit of green pepper. Turn this down a little bit. Cut it up kind of small. The weather here's been chilly, and it's been so nice for a change. Get away from the heat in Florida. And I was wanting to do a corn video, and I was so happy to find it. So I'm going to start out with the green pepper. Fried corn is so easy and it's so good. Then I'm going to take just a piece of my onion. And chop that up fine. Just basically green pepper, onion, butter, and salt and pepper. And it is so yummy. I'm making this corn my dinner tonight. So My grandmother, my German grandmother, used to say, well, actually my mother used to say that they would make a whole meal out of corn years ago. Okay, I'm going to put the onion in there. Turn it up a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to let that go a little bit. I wonder if I can bring you guys a little closer here. I guess I can. Putting you in the sink. I'm just going to be stirring that up. Just get it a little bit going. And I'm going to put my corn in. Just like so. And I'm going to flip this board and I'm going to cut one more of these off the cob for my creamed corn that I'm going to make. You always want to put that side down, the thick side down. Go a little easy with it so it doesn't go all over the place. She's got some nice sharp knives here. Okay. Making a mess, Dawn. What you want to do with fried corn is you want to cook it until it gets a little bit brown. Just a little bit. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And that's it. And I'm going to put my other two in the boiling water. And I'm going to set the timer for, well, I'm just going to watch the clock. I'm not sure how to do the timer. So I'm going to leave it in. It's supposed to be in for like 3 to 5 minutes. But I like it more in the 5 minutes. So I'm going to be watching that. And I'm going to get my back burner going here. I'm going to switch burners. Let that get going. Then what I'm going to do is get the phone untangled here out of the water. That wouldn't be good. So I'm going to set this off to the side, and I'm going to use probably for this cream corn, I'm going to use probably, I don't know, it's like 2/3 stick of butter. And then you get that going. Keep wanting to stir this. You want this fried corn kind of on a high heat. And once I get that in, I will bring the camera a little bit closer. And once this butter gets melted, I'll get back. Okay. Fried corn's doing good. I've got this pretty much melted, so I'm going to put my corn in the butter. This is my version of cream corn. I don't know if it's exactly right, but that's how I'm going to do it. I guess I'm going to turn the back burner down a little bit. And I'm going to get a fresh spoon for my creamed corn here. I'm going to turn that down a little bit. I mean, this isn't cream, yeah, cream corn. Getting a little mixed up here. I don't know if you can tell, it's starting to dry up a little bit, and that's what you want. Okay, now I'm going to take my corn here, and it does have quite a bit of butter, so I'm going to add my pepper and my salt. Not a lot, because there's a lot of butter in that. And right when you think your corn has got a little bit of doneness to it, you want to add a little bit of flour. A couple more minutes on these. Okay, I'm going to put a stick of butter on my plate. Just partially open. And I am going to sorry about that. Okay. So I've got my, better stir this one more time. My fried corn. Stir this one more time. My creamed corn. Okay, I'm going to take these out. Shut that off. It might seem silly for you to see me just boiling corn, but you know what? There's young people that have never made corn on the cob before. So that's how you do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've got this butter partially open, and I'm going to roll the corn in the butter, depending on how much butter you like. Better stir my fried corn a little bit. That's just about done too. It's doing really good. Let me show you. See how it's starting to get a little bit brown? That's what you want. Okay, so I got my get it all going in that butter. By partially opening the butter, it stays put on the plate for you. Some people have those fancy, as I just tell you, it stays put. Some people have those fancy butter dishes. And then what you want to do is you want to salt it. You've got to salt it. I don't really salt a lot of things, but that is one thing I salt. Okay, that's my one idea for corn. Nice buttered, salted corn. And then got my fried corn that is doing very well. I'm going to give that just a couple more minutes. Actually, you know what? I think that's done too. Let me shut that burner off and show you this beautiful fried corn. I'm going to put that on a plate. I got this corn for $5 for $2. Can't beat that. Look at that beautiful fried corn. Okay, that's two. And now I'm going to turn this up a little bit. Get my other spoon. Let me put that on for you a little better. Okay. Let me get that going a little bit stronger. And I'm going to take a little bit of my unbleached flour, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on there. Probably, I don't know, maybe 2 tablespoons. You want to fry that in pretty good. kind of like you're making a roux. And then you want to take some milk or cream, whatever you prefer, not a lot, and bring that to a boil. And see how it's coming together? And you just want to add enough milk so that it's creamy. I don't know if you guys buy this stuff in the can of creamed corn, but I don't know. That to me just doesn't look that appetizing. Got a little green pepper from the other spoon, I guess. And just get it the consistency that you want it. And I think that's a go. There's your beautiful creamed corn. I'm going to put that on a plate for you. This isn't my regular kitchen, so I don't really, not real organized here yet. But there's my beautiful creamed corn. And I'm going to bring you over here and show you my wonderful three, if I can get my camera going right, my 3 cornmeals. Salted buttered corn, beautiful fried corn, and creamed corn. Yum, yum. So I hope you enjoyed my little video. In a cabin in up north Michigan, doesn't get any better than this. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.